Hello everyone. We tried a new sweet dish called Shahi Tukda. Come, let's see how it is done. The main ingredients for this dish are bread and milk. Let's get started. To prepare the base for this dish, we need 1 liter milk. Pour the milk in a pan and bring it to a boil. Keep stirring the milk till it reduces to half the quantity. Take 1 cup or 200 grams of sugar. Add the sugar to the milk and mix well. Take 2 tablespoons of warm milk separately and add 2 grams of saffron to it. Soak it for 5 minutes and add that to the milk mixture. Keep stirring the milk gently. In a small bowl, take 10 almonds and 5 cashews and chop it finely. Add the chopped almonds and cashews to the milk and keep stirring so that they don't stick together and form lumps. After adding the saffron, the color of the milk changes to a beautiful yellow. Keep stirring the milk until you get this texture. Take the bread and cut it into any shape that your kids like. Here we have used heart-shaped cutters to shape the bread. Toast the bread with butter or ghee in a pan and let it turn golden brown on both the sides. The toasted bread has to be dipped in sugar syrup. Let's see how it is made. To make the sugar syrup, take a pan, add 1 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Once the water starts boiling, add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Keep this on high flame for just 2 to 3 minutes. Once the sugar syrup cools down, dip the toasted bread pieces in the syrup and remove it before the bread becomes soggy. Spread the condensed milk base that we prepared on a plate and place the bread pieces over it in any manner you wish. Spread a little bit of the sweetened condensed milk on top of the bread too, and garnish it with any choice of nuts that you like. We hope you like this dish. Do try it and let us know your feedback. We'll meet you soon in another interesting video. Until then, stay yummified.